Let's talk about Sekyere Rural Bank. They just released results that are turning heads. But what do all these numbers actually mean? Let's break it down in plain English. Total assets. This is everything the bank owns. Theirs grew to GHS 611.8 million. That's massive for a rural bank. More assets generally means a bigger, stronger bank. Deposits. This is the money customers have saved with them. It hit GHS 510.4 million. Growth here means people trust the bank with their money. That's a huge green flag. Loans and advances. This is the money the bank has lent out to customers. It reached GHS 167.7 million. This means the bank is actively helping the local economy grow by giving out loans. Share capital. This is the money invested by the bank's owners. It grew to GHS 34.1 million. A strong share capital is like the bank's shock absorber. It protects it if things get tough. Here's the big one for investors. They increased their profit after tax by 35% to GHS 14.6 million. Profit is what's left after all expenses. A 35% jump is impressive. More profit can mean better dividends for shareholders or more money to grow the bank. Vital facts for an investor. Strength. Growing deposits and capital show stability. Profitability. A 35% profit increase is a very strong sign. Community focus. Rural banks are deeply connected to their local economy's health. This is an educational breakdown of a news article. This is not financial advice. Always do your own deep research or speak to a licensed financial advisor before investing. This shows that investment opportunities can be found in unexpected places. Do us a favor, like, share, follow, and subscribe for more tips from the investment nerds.